Hi everyone, here I'm going to show you how trainers can create a workbook on eduLAB. You can enter eduLAB workbook portal using the credentials provided for you or the ones you already have. Let's say that you already have the workbook created on eduLAB portal for Certificate 4 in IT, and now you want to create one for the Diploma of IT. Firstly, go to Homepage tab, then click the Workbook collection. This will open up a page where you can create a course title. So put Diploma of IT on the top. You can put the same title next to the Workbook collection name or a different one. Once this is done, click Save and Publish. Next step is to create a workbook for each unit or subject. Click on the workbook, type the unit code or title on the top. I'll put the unit code for this demonstration. Type the unit code next to the lab code, then type the unit title next to the lab title. In the introduction section, you can put the overview information of the unit, such as assessment requirement, prerequisite information, lab diagram if you have one, and also any lab preparation information that you want students to know about to start the unit. I'm going to copy and paste the information we already have. For images, it's good to select separately and copy and paste into the section. It will be handy for you to have the workbook ready in the Word document, so you can just copy and paste into the portal. Once it is all done, just click Save and Publish. Now let's create module title within the unit. Click on the unit on your left, then click Workbook module. On the top, type the title of module. We'll put Module 1, Implement Mail Solution. When that is done, click on the module title on the left, then click on Workbook Activity to create activity title and put an activity overview. For the activity title on the top, I'll put Activity 1. Then next to the activity title, I'll write Activity 1, Gather hardware and software information. Write a summary or an overview of the activity that students are about to participate. This can be just a simple description. Then click Save and Publish. Next is to identify in which virtual machine activities will be conducted. So I'll click on the virtual machine button, then write the name of the virtual machine. For this unit of activity, there are 4 virtual machines. I'll put the exact name of the virtual machine in the eduLAB portal. That's client computer. Write it on the top section as well as next to the virtual machine name. The color identification will come very handy for students to identify where they need to work on for which activity. So use different color for different activities where students will be using a different virtual machine. Once that's done, save, click, and publish. Next is to add details of tasks for students to participate on the client computer virtual machine. Click on the virtual computer's name on your left, then enter the title of the task. I'll write Task 1, Open a console. Then copy and paste the instruction. As I have the documents ready, it's easy for me to just copy and paste here. If you have any hint or note that you would like to share with your students, you can add that information here in the notes section. If a task requires evidence from your students, activate Screenshot Required. This will allow your students to take a screenshot of the evidence and submit. If you want to give any specific instruction on what details you want to see in the performance evidence screenshot, then you can add that information here in the evidence instruction section. Finally, click Save and Publish. To add more tasks, simply follow the same process by clicking the name of the virtual machine on the left tab. Then click Create Tasks and repeat the whole process. To see the whole workbook you created, click the unit title, then click the Preview button. It will show you the preview of the introduction page first. Then if you'd like to see the previews of tasks that you created, then click on the module, then click on the relevant activity that you want to see. When you finish creating the workbook, it could look something like this. This is the Certificate 4 in IT workbook we created, just to show you as an example. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next video. Bye for now.